Okay, so for this question, I mean, clearly in as many different ways as you can write it in an unlimited number of ways, but let's first figure out what the value of 16 to the 3/4 power is. So this really means the fourth root, right, of 16 and then raised to the third power. Or you could do it the other way. You could raise 16 to the third power and take the fourth root, but it's always easier to take the root first. So the fourth root of 16 is 2, raised to the third power is 8. So there's one way I could write it, right? I mean, I could write it as 8. I could write it as 2 to the third. That would be another way to write it. And then the list goes on. On a test or an assessment, I would think that writing it a couple ways is going to be sufficient. I could even use this as another way to write it, right? That is another way of writing it. So in essence, I prefer that you actually learn how to find the value of it, and once you find the value, you could write that expression in almost an unlimited number of ways.